Now, if you're doing the blue coated version, or if you are doing both, then this is what Santa looks like with the blue coated version. He's more of a Woodland Santa. This pattern is available for free in Crochet Now magazine, their Christmas issue of 2020. It will also become available for sale in my Etsy and Ravelry stores, and that will be in January for next year. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoy the holiday season and that you will take this and make some Santas from it and give them away as gifts. They make a great gift for a Santa collector. If you like these videos, please subscribe below and hit the bell so that you are notified of all of my new videos. And thank you for following Ink and Stitches Designs by J.H. Winter.